Stop wasting money on skincare.
Hey skincare lovers! So have you ever wondered जो भी आप 5000 का क्रीम लगाते हैं तो that is much better than your trustworthy 500 rupees moisturizer, or it is just our marketing tricks? So today we're just getting bottom of this. So welcome to my special bonus episode. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Snehita, PhD in medical biochemistry. So those who follow my biochemistry skin truth series, they know that I am all about the science, not the hype. So today we are dealing with a biggest myth in the beauty world, that expensive product works better. But the truth is, the skin doesn't care about the price tag, it's only care about the ingredients and the science behind that formulation. So what is the reason for the high prices? Why some skincare products are very expensive? So because of these three things, first is the branding and marketing, second is the fancy packaging, and third is proprietary ingredients. So in first, branding and marketing, a luxury brand spent a fortune on ads, celebrity endorsement, and creating their brand image. So you're not just paying for the skincare brand, you're also paying for their brand story. And second one is fancy packaging. So you can see the variety of their packaging, which add the cost, which significant has nothing to do with your skin. Third one is proprietary ingredient. So this is like a brand secret recipe. So the brand tells that you cannot find it anywhere. It is like they don't have competitive product or in the open market. So it is so this is basically to justify their price tag. Brand claims that because of this ingredient, the product is unique and effective. So this makes the consumer to believe that they are buying something special, which justify the price tag. So it may or may not be effective. So a proprietary ingredient doesn't always mean that it is superior to the well-known and public ingredient. But yes, expensive means the innovation, but often it's just a great marketing. Now, power of your affordable skincare product. The affordable skincare product cut out all the cost. They have their simple packaging, spend very less on their advertisement, no luxury branding. But here's the secret. They often use the same active ingredient at scientific proven concentration. So your skin recognizes only the molecules, whether it costs the 300 rupees or 3000. So here is some skincare ingredient example. First is a moisturizer. So here is the expensive and here is the affordable one. So both hydrate your skin and both have their workhorse ingredient, that is a glycerin and hyaluronic acid. And second one is a vitamin C. Here is the expensive, here is the affordable one. So both use the same powerful antioxidant, that is L-ascorbic acid, and only the difference is the luxurious feel, not the effectiveness. And third one is a retinol. Here is the expensive, here is the affordable one. So both deliver the active ingredient retinol to your skin. So how to be a smart shopper? First, start reading your ingredient list and stop looking at the front of your serum जहाँ पे miracle serum या youth potion लिखा रहता है. Just flip your bottle. It is of glycolic acid. तो ingredient के starting में on the higher of your ingredient list जो भी आप ले रहे हैं, अगर glycolic acid का ले रहे हैं तो आपका glycolic acid starting में होना चाहिए. So जो भी starting में होते हैं that are present in main higher concentration. And second one is please focus on your workhorse ingredient. You don't need the exotic extract, and please start spotting the proven ingredient, just like the hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, SPF, and many more. Third one is to prioritize your consistency. Choose the effective skincare routine is one you can stick by. So choose the most effective and affordable one. So you can build a sustainable routine so you can use every single day, and then you can get the result. So next time you're shopping, remember, be a detective, read the list and go for workhorse ingredient and choose a product that you can use every single day. That's how you get the best skin result without breaking your bank. So if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more science-packed skincare. So till then, bye bye, take care, and please follow for more.